The second thing he said that was a vibe and a half was the continuation to what Trump had addressed in the World Economic Forum, right? Well, Trump has said that the banks need to stop, closing people's account for dealing with crypto. They need to be more crypto friendly. They need to have a little bit better adoption in the crypto space. And then, some of those CEOs of the bank said, listen, we have our hands tied. You need a regulation to tone down so that we can participate. So that was a good thing because, they struck down the SB 121, which kept people from having to have extra money, like the banks and institutions, when they held crypto. So that was a plus, right? And then today, to top off that, Daddy Powell said that he has no problem with banks holding crypto if they are able to follow through and people are going through the right channels. So that was definitely a positive thing for the market, and they liked it. And I'm gonna show you now in the charts because there's always the fundamentals, but TA always tell you what's going on as well. So if you can see here, we always start with the USDT chart. That one is what actually controls, right? So if you see, like I said, I repeat this all the time because some of the people are new and I wanted to get it, right? Whenever a stable coin, USDT, which is the biggest one, that's why we look at that one. Whenever it goes up in dominance, the market goes down because liquidity is being removed from the market. Whenever it goes down, the market goes up because liquidity is being brought into the market, right? So if you're in the game and you don't want the volatility, you go into stable coins, and everybody does that from the retail to the whales. So as you can see here in the chart, I actually made it black. Now it's more my vibe, right? So we did get a rejection right here at 4% and came down. We dropped about 0.13, and that's why you're going to see that in the market as well, right? So the idea is that the lower we go, the better. We want to come back to where we were at 3.82. And I feel like once we do that, when we start coming down this way, that's when we'll see a new all-time high on Bitcoin, right? So now let's go to the Bitcoin chart because after, actually the Bitcoin is the last one. After we look at the stable coins, we go to the total market cap, right? Because we want to see what the total market is doing. What is going on with the entire market and where they're at, right? So as you can see now, here we bounced down there, right? We're around 338. Went down, grabbed some liquidity. This was that nasty deep seek drop, right? But we recovered again, and we're on this channel right here. So we're heading back towards 3 trillion, right? Which would be around 3.57. And then once we crack that, this red line that you see right here,